The case for the murdered immigration officer Stephen Amoah just ended today, and the case has been adjourned to 4th September. Quick wrap of all that transpired in court today. So if you hear me saying A2 or new suspect or new accused person, it's all one person. That is Thomas Ziga. Yes. And previously when we were in court, that was 2 weeks ago. There was a suspect called Bright Hour. He was also in court, but that was what a lot of people were expecting. Then we saw the police bring in a new suspect, which is A2, as I said earlier. Now, when proceedings started, Bright Hour was not in, but it was a new suspect that was in, and the prosecution asked that they wait a little bit while they do the charge sheet for the newly accused person. But then not long after, Bright came in. But what transpired? So the counsel for the newly accused, which is A2, the same person, which is Thomas Ziga, his plea was that they sent the newly accused person to the hospital, different from the police hospital. His reason being because when they met him yesterday, he wasn't in a good condition. And all that he was saying is that they wanted Thomas Ziga to be moved from the police hospital to Kolebu. They were very emphatic on that because, according to the council, when they met Thomas Ziga, he didn't look too good, and they feel like he needs to be moved to an independent facility for them to take care of his clients. Prosecutors came in with their bit saying that they feel like the new suspect had been taken care of and has been thoroughly checked. He's been sent to the hospital twice, and they feel like there's nothing wrong. This was a back and forth. Later, the council suggested a 1-week adjournment. The reason being because even though the prosecution said they've taken the accused person to the hospital twice, they feel like the accused person should be taken to the hospital for the third time. But then prosecution opposed. Then later on, the judge came in. She said that she's adjourning the case to 4th September. But then, if the health of Thomas Ziga, A2, the new suspect, is in jeopardy, then they should come with a formal application to change the hospital. So, and on that note, the case was then adjourned to 4th September.